Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. As you can see, there's snow on the ground. It is cold outside. I am at Cardinal Kia, and let's do a cold start of this 2012 Hyundai Santa Fe. It's cold out. She unlocked, that's signs of life. This one's really nicely trimmed out. It has all the leather and everything in it. Leather heated seats too. Heated seats too. 125,900 kilometers. A little weak, but started out fine. We'll pop the hood, and we'll show you that. There you go, crack the window. Bring you around the outside of this vehicle first. Yeah, this is a black one. It's actually in amazing condition. I admit it is a little high mileage, but it's not that bad actually. It's in great shape. You have your chrome door handles on this model. Ugh. Okay. I'm not going to try to scale the hill anymore. Just going to open the hood for you guys. There we go. Once again, 3.3 liter V6. This one's all-wheel drive as well. Very nicely loaded vehicle right here. Bit of snow under the hood. Came in from the grill, I believe. You have your bug deflector on it too. This actually is a pretty decent looking vehicle. For sure, very nice. Yep. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, and share the video, as well as subscribe for more. Have a great day everyone.